David gets a surprise call. Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to the English Lab. Today's story is called David Gets a Surprise Call. Have you ever been afraid to show your talent? Or felt too shy to speak up? In this story, we meet David, a quiet boy who loves art but keeps it hidden. Then something unexpected happens. And everything changes. Listen carefully and practice your English with this simple and powerful story. Let's begin. David is a quiet boy. He doesn't talk much in class. He sits at the back, listens carefully, and draws in his notebook. David loves art, but he never shows his drawings to others. He thinks no one will care about my art. I'm just a quiet kid. One day, the school announces an art contest. Draw anything you love, says the teacher. Winners will meet a real artist. David doesn't enter. He feels too shy. But his friend Lisa finds one of his drawings on the desk. It's a beautiful picture of a lion. Wow, this is amazing, Lisa says. Without telling David, she secretly gives it to the teacher. The next week, David is at home when the phone rings. It's the school principal. Hello, David, congratulations. You won first place in the art contest. David is shocked. Me? But I didn't enter. The principal laughs. Your art spoke for you. You have real talent. At school the next day, everyone claps for David. He gets a medal, a gift, and a special invite to meet the artist. David feels nervous but excited to meet the famous artist. He learns that many artists were shy when they were young too. The artist tells David, keep drawing and don't be afraid to share your work. David smiles, feeling inspired to show his art to the world. David smiles, holding his drawing with pride. For the first time he feels seen. And that was the story of David, the quiet boy with big talent. Sometimes the world sees your light even when you hide it. Are you hiding something you're good at? Don't be afraid to share your gifts, you never know what could happen. If you enjoyed the story, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs a little encouragement today. Thanks for watching the English Lab. See you in the next story. Bye.